In this video, I'm going to withdraw my $20 that I've got in my ShrinkEarn account into PayPal, and I'm just going to document how it works and what happens. So this is essentially going to be a video of me showing ShrinkEarn's payment proof. If you're not familiar with ShrinkEarn, I'll leave a link in the description below. It's a URL shortener which you can shorten links on and you can earn money. It's one of the highest paying URL shorteners, so you can see you can get paid up to $20 per 1,000 views. So I'm going to withdraw this money here now. So the first thing you need to do when you withdraw money, you need to go to settings, you need to go to profile, and you need to make sure here that you've got your withdrawal method set and your withdrawal account email here. So mine is PayPal, so I've got my PayPal email here. Again, you can withdraw into all of these different options, including Bitcoin. For this video, we're going to withdraw into PayPal. So I'm going to click here where it says withdraw. I'm then going to press this green button, and this is literally all you have to do. It's then going to ask me if I'm sure. I'm going to click OK, and you can see my withdrawal request has now been sent and it's now under review. If we scroll down here, you can see we've got a pending withdrawal of $20.79. If we scroll down here, you can now see we've got a pending withdrawal of $20.79. So I'm going to come back to you when this money goes into my PayPal account. It should be in a couple of days. Okay guys, so I now have an update for you. It is currently the next day. So you can see if we scroll down on ShrinkEarn, you can see that the payment was sent here, or I asked for the payment to be withdrawn on the 11th. It is now the 12th. You can see the status has gone to complete. It's gone to my PayPal account. You can see here I've also got the money into my PayPal account. So all it took really was 1 day to get the payment sent. You can see it's by this person, $20.78. You can see in the notes here it says ShrinkEarn payment. And that's it. I can then go and withdraw this money from my PayPal account into my bank account. So it only took 1 day to get the money. ShrinkEarn is legit. You can see I've been paid out multiple times here. If you want to go and use ShrinkEarn, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video.